Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the screen lock on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. If you want to set up a different screen lock, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down until you find security and privacy and then go there. And finally choose device unlock. Over here we have three options. You can change the screen lock method, but you can also add the fingerprint and face unlock method. So if you go to screen lock, over here you can choose what type of screen lock you wish to have. So if you want to set up a pattern, then you can simply tap on it. You can also set up the pin code and the password. So let's say we want to set up the pattern, so we can tap on it. Then we have to draw the pattern, tap next, then one more time to confirm. And there we go. Now we also have some options related to the lock screen, and we can press done. And there we go. Now we have a pattern for our screen lock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.